Okay, so this mouse trap, I put this cedar plank here, and it smells pretty cedary. And I'm thinking that's keeping the mice away. Maybe it's overpowering the corn in there. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new little ramp out of wood. And a lot of people have been saying this is too steep and a mouse can't get up it. You know, all I hear is how a freaking mouse can go anywhere and go up a wall, and they can climb anything. But somehow, this ramp is too steep, and a mouse can't get up. All right, I figured out how I'm going to fix that. So I'm working on it. Okay, I took all the suggestions on building a new ramp because this trap wasn't catching. I put some corn in there. So I built a new ramp. I'm going to put some peanut butter on top, and I'm going to put some peanut butter on a new ramp. So I'm going to get rid of this ramp. And then here's my new ramp that I built because I got a lot of advice on why the mice weren't using the ramp. And so a couple suggestions that I got was I needed to make a little, rough it up and give little steps like an escalator so they could get up to the top, because everybody knows a mouse can't really climb that well. So we have to make it easy for them. And again, I'm just listening to all the advice. Put a little hook up here so I can hook it on. Then I put a little safety rail so in case I had some mice that were elderly, couldn't get up, that could help them get up. And then I also, in case there's some handicapped mice out there to conform with federal standards on handicapped mice, I put a little handicap marker down there so the handicapped mice know that this is safe for them also. So now this is my new ramp, and I will hook this onto here. And that's my new ramp for my little miceys. And I hope everyone's happy now. And thanks for all the great advice, because I'm pretty sure my mice are going to feel safe now. All right, because that's all what I'm about. I'm about federal government, making mice feel safe. All right, we'll end it there.